This workflow starts with a webhook that receives tender PDF uploads. It accepts incoming post requests containing one or more file URLs. These URLs act as the entry point for processing tender documents automatically. Extract file URLs, code in JavaScript. This code node extracts individual PDF file URLs from the webhook payload. It splits multiple uploaded files into separate items. This allows each tender document to be processed independently. Download tender PDF, HTTP request. This node downloads the tender PDF using the extracted file URL. The response is fetched as a binary file. This prepares the document for text extraction in the next step. Here, the PDF file is converted into raw text. The extract from file node reads the document content. This extracted text becomes the input for AI-based analysis. Analyze tender eligibility, AI agent. The extracted tender text is sent to Azure OpenAI. The AI analyzes eligibility criteria, required documents, and compliance rules. It returns a structured section-wise eligibility assessment. Maintain context with memory. This memory node maintains session context during AI processing. It helps the AI remain consistent while analyzing long tender documents. This improves accuracy for complex eligibility requirements. Azure OpenAI Chat Model Configuration. This node defines the GPT-4o mini model used by the AI agent. It connects Azure OpenAI credentials securely. The model powers the tender eligibility analysis. Format AI output as HTML report. This code node converts AI output into styled HTML. It transforms headings, bullet points, and tables into a readable format. The result is a professional eligibility report ready for sharing. Send HTML response. Finally, the formatted HTML report is returned as the webhook response. The user receives the complete tender eligibility report instantly. This completes the automated tender analysis workflow. Understand and n8n. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe for more updates.